My layered chocolate dessert will turn your sensual relationship into a mere formality. It's legit and actual, but not really, love potion for chocolate lovers. It's a devilishly delectable layered dessert made up of silky smooth chocolate pudding, crispy crushed chocolate cookies, luscious whipped cream, and decadent chocolate sauce. Chocolate lovers unite, this one is for you and your special chocolate loving friend. We're going to begin with the custard, super easy to make, and like I said, everything is done in the microwave. Add the sugar and custard powder to a heat-proof bowl, whisk it to combine, add the milk and whisk that to combine it as well. You're going to microwave this for 2 minutes. Now you'll notice that it kind of cooks around the edges but stays liquidy in the center. That's completely fine. If you whisk this all up, it all comes together and becomes smooth again. You want to add your butter and whisk that in before you add a little cheeky splash of Bailey's, completely optional, and half of your dark chocolate. Now we didn't use a lot of sugar in the custard, so we're going to get all that sweetness from our chocolate. Once you've whisked that in, you want to add the remaining chocolate and whisk that to combine. Now, if you're finding that your custard has cooled down a little bit too much and that chocolate is not melting as it should, pop it back in the microwave for an extra minute and then mix it until everything is smooth. Now, see those little lumps that are in our custard? That's completely normal, but the way we're going to get rid of those is by running this through a sieve. Once you've run it through there, it all comes out deliciously silky smooth. Cover it with plastic wrap to prevent it from forming a skin, and then pop it in the fridge to chill. But once it has chilled, we're going to uncover it, use an electric hand mixer to whisk it up until it's nice and fluffy. Let's move on to our 5-minute raspberry sauce. I'm using frozen raspberries and I'm popping these into a heat-proof bowl along with some sugar and fresh lemon juice. That lemon juice is going to make these nice and tangy, and it's going to preserve the jam, because that's essentially what we're making. We're going to microwave this for about 3 to 4 minutes. It's going to go really bubbly and hot, so you want to be careful when you're taking it out. All of those raspberries are going to completely break down and you're going to be left behind with some delicious bright red sauce. The color on this is incredible. Now, I want to get rid of those seeds because they're not exactly very nice to be picking out of your teeth on Valentine's Day night. So we're going to run this through a sieve. We're going to pop it in the fridge until it's completely chilled. Now, if you're looking for the best chocolate sauce recipe, I have a 1-bowl chocolate sauce recipe which you have to try, and that's what I'm going to be using today. I'm going to add a little bit of Bailey's in here as well, again completely optional, and just whisk that in. For the whipped cream, we are going to add our heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, and some mascarpone cream cheese. And we're going to whisk this using our electric hand mixer until we reach stiff peaks. Now, I've chopped up some Oreos. I could have sworn I bought regular Oreos, but all I could find in my cupboard was the mini ones. So I'm just gonna chop those up. I'm gonna add half of those to the whipped cream and fold it through. And I'm gonna pop this in the fridge so that it doesn't go funky until we've finished our other stuff. Now that we have everything ready to go, our 5-minute jam, our chocolate sauce, we've got our Oreo whipped cream and our crushed Oreos, we're ready to put these together before your partner gets home. They'll be done. We're going to begin by adding some custard on the bottom of our serving glasses, followed by some of that cookies and cream, a good drizzle of that fresh bright red raspberry sauce, sprinkle in some crushed Oreos, and guys, repeat that until you get to the top. We're going to finish it off with a swirl of that cream and then add some raspberries on top before we sprinkle some more cookies. Is this an aphrodisiac? What is an aphrodisiac? I don't actually know. I'm just gonna try this and I hope that you guys try it too. Recipes in the link down below. I don't know what an aphrodisiac is, but this is it. And it is delicious. You have that sweet chocolate, that cream, the cakey Oreos because they're softened in the cream, and that 5-minute raspberry sauce. It's not really that sweet, it bites through all the sweetness of everything else. This thing is so cute. It's easy to make, it's quick to make. It's the perfect Valentine's Day treat, or not even Valentine's Day. You can make this any day of the year for that special someone, and trust me, they're gonna enjoy it. If you would like to grab the recipe, it's in the link down below. Go and grab it. It is amazing. Go and try this. Please let me know what you thought. If you've got any other recipe suggestions you'd like to see me make, leave them in the comments down below because you guys have the best ideas and I love hearing your suggestions. More recipes over there if you want to watch more deliciousness and get more inspired for Valentine's Day. I've got dinner ideas, appetizer ideas. Go check them out. I'm going to see you guys on the next episode of the Scran line, and try not to eat all of this because I need to put mine in the fridge and have the rest when Anthony comes home. Bye.